Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kaylee. Thank you so much for joining me today. I don't really know how this video is going to go. I kind of have an idea in my mind of a look that I want to do. I was going through some old photos yesterday and I came across this sketch that I did from a number of years ago. I'm not really sure how long ago, but it was a long time ago. Like, this photo is buried. So this is the sketch that I drew, and it's basically just some eyes with like colorful kind of watercolor around the eyes. And I originally got this idea from Pinterest. I remember I was looking through Pinterest years ago for inspiration for drawing, and I came across something similar to this. So I just wanted to do my take on that, and that's how I came up with this sketch. It's not like the greatest sketch in the world, but I came across this last night and I thought, what a cool idea. It would be really fun to kind of turn this into like a watercolor makeup look. If it's going to translate from what I'm thinking in my mind to a reality, I'm not sure how it's going to go, but I just kind of wanted to like play and kind of attempt this. So that's what we're doing today. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the red button right down below. Go ahead and subscribe before you leave. And if you guys are ready to see me attempt to create some kind of fun, colorful, watercolor-esque makeup look, then please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. So kind of what inspired me to do this look today, or made me want to do it today, is yesterday I watched Robbie DeChristy's new video. She does this really cool look with like leaves and different greenery like surrounding her face, and she's got like a really like blown out kind of red orange eye makeup look. It just looked really cool and it was kind of different and creative. So I was just, you know, kind of feeling inspired, and I just kind of thought it'd be cool to try to recreate that look. Eyes are prepped using Tarte Shape Tape. I think I'll start off with a bigger brush. I will start off using the really light pink over here. So I want it to be like very just like whimsical looking and not symmetrical at all. So I'm kind of just gonna place this color wherever. And again, watercolor is like very, very soft and like not super pigmented in some spots. So you just see like hints of color. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Let's do this light purple. And I can't stress this enough, no idea what I'm doing. Might help if I bring you in a little closer. Let's do the light blue. You know, even when I was an art major in college, I was never really good at doing like abstract artwork. I've always been one who is more of a like realist drawer or painter. Like I can see something and draw it, but I'm not really good at just making stuff up and making it kind of fun and like loose. I'm not good at abstract art. So what possessed me to do this, I don't really know. Okay, so this is the basis of the colors laid down. So now I'm just gonna go in with a smaller brush and kind of do a little bit of the next shade of these colors and kind of darken up some of the areas. Sometimes it's kind of fun to not follow any specific rules and really just have fun. This is looking a little insane at the moment, but it's also kind of what I was wanting. Let's deepen the blue with this tealy shade. can't decide if it's gonna ruin it if I add colors to the rest of my face. I think I might just do the rest of my makeup like normal, and then I might do some more of these colors on my lips actually. I think I just decided that. Okay, I think the rest of the face is done. So what Christy did in her video when she did that caged in kind of leafy look, she actually kind of took some of the eyeshadows and kind of fanned them out from her lips. So I think that would be kind of a cool effect. So I went ahead and put some concealer on my lips just to kind of get rid of my natural lip color. And then I think I'm going to go in with some of these same colors that we used on my eyes and kind of fan them out from my lips and then do like a gloss on top of it. Okay, so I don't love the finished look of the lips. I think I might change it, but to finish like the entire look, I do want to add a little bit of Vaseline to my tears. I actually kind of want to add like a little teardrop at the end of this one. That way it'll match my picture a little bit better because I actually had actual little teardrops on here. I'm gonna redo my lips now. All right, you guys, I just switched out the lip color here. So I just put on a little bit of a pink lipstick and topped it with a gloss. Still don't love it, but I think it looks better. So yeah, this is the completed look. So there are some things that I would change about this look and some things that I would do differently, but overall I am happy with how it turned out, and I am definitely already in my mind planning on doing another version of this look in the future and maybe taking the colors all the way around my face and then on the eyes and just kind of doing like a different twist on this. I don't know, I just thought it was something kind of fun and creative, and when I was going through those old pictures and I came across this sketch that I did, I just thought it'd be kind of fun to recreate something like that. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. And that completes this video for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you guys in my next video.